Good morning. Today I explain for topic for arithmetic progression, and this is a very important topic for class 10 student. Any CBSE, ICSE, ICGSE, any board, either any state board, this topic is very important for arithmetic progression. This is a first chapter for class 10 student will go for next 2010 standard. This is also important. This is a very important topics for class 10th arithmetic progression. During the board examination, overall 6 or 7 marks question, always asking for 7-8 marks, more than 7 marks, but only at least 7 marks question ask the बोर्ड क्वेश्चंस, बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. इसमें इस चैप्टर से हमें कम से कम मिनिमम 8 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन पूछता है, और ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. आप इस टॉपिक को पढ़ोगे, आपको इंजॉयमेंट भी आएगा. तो ये टॉपिक का नेम है अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ये क्लास 10th का फर्स्ट टॉपिक है. जो बच्चे इस ईयर 2025 में एग्ज़ाम अपीयर हो रहे हैं, उनके लिए भी ये क्लास बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और जो नेक्स्ट ईयर 2026 में जो बच्चे क्लास 10th में अपीयर होंगे, उनके लिए भी ये टॉपिक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. लेट्स स्टार्ट फॉर अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. अब सबसे पहले हमें बोलेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. अब यहाँ पे अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन व्हाट इज़ द, सबसे पहले हमने बताया है कि व्हाट इज़ द सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस क्या है. अब यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस लेके चलेंगे. तो सीक्वेंस जो है, ए लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर अरेंज इन ए डिफिनिट ऑर्डर अकॉर्डिंग टू सम डिफिनिट रूल्स इज कॉल्ड ए सीक्वेंस. अब ये सीक्वेंस होने का एक ही कंडीशन है कि कोई भी नंबर, जैसे यहाँ पे नंबर हो गया 2, 3, 4. अब ये नंबर हम सीक्वेंस में कर सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वन नंबर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो एक रूल्स को फॉलो कर रहा है. दिस नंबर आर फॉलो वन रूल, +1 +1. बट here given 11, here given 9, here given 11. This is a not sequence because this is not follow the rule. Any not rule, only the number. This is called not a sequence. This is called only for not cell. This is only for a collect number of many numbers, but not tell as a sequence. Sequence means here write 1, 5, 9, 30. This is called sequence because if two numbers gap for 4, here also follow the 4, here also follow the 4. This is called sequence. Sequence definition is a list of numbers arranged in definite order according to some definite rule is called sequence. Not always positive. Sometimes come addition, sometimes subtraction, sometimes division, sometimes multiplication, but always say for definite one rule. Without rule, no tell as a sequence. Without any rules, this is called only for number. Many numbers is there, not tell any one sequence. Sequence means any. Just here write 2, here 4, here 6, here 8, here 10. This is called sequence because here 2 into 1, here 2 into 2, here 2 into 3, here 2 into 4, here 2 into 5. This is called only for sequence. Anyone ask a question, what is the sequence? A list of number arranged in definite order according to some definite rule is called sequence. Anyone, what is sequence? A list of number arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule is called sequence. यहाँ पे कहेगा कि किसी भी नंबर के एक नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप के किसी भी सीक्वेंस को एक डेफिनेट रूल से अगर हम अरेंज करते हैं तो उसी को हम सीक्वेंस कहेंगे. अब यहाँ पे व्हाट इज द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. अब अर्थमेटिक सीक्वेंस में तो एडिशन भी हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी हो जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हो जाएगा, डिवीजन भी हो जाएगा. बट व्हाट इज द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. अब अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का क्या हो जाएगा. एन अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इज ए सीरीज इन विच डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनी टू कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म इज कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट द सीरीज. दिस कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस। अब अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या कह रहा है? अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का डेफिनेशन कह रहा है कि अगर आपके पास एनी नंबर ऑफ सीरीज डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनी टू नंबर, हियर 2, हियर 4, हियर 6, हियर 8, means any two number, 4 and 2 number here 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 2, 8 minus 6, here 2, means a arithmetic progression is a series, number of series in which difference between any two consecutive number, any two consecutive means just then 2, 4 means 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2. Then throughout the series this constant difference is called common difference. Here just here example, A1, A2, A3, A4 are in AP. All A1, A2, A3 are in AP. Then A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 equals to, this is called common difference. This difference just here just an example, here given 3, here given 9, here given 15, here given 21. Then 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 and 15 minus 9 and 21 minus 15. Then 9 minus 3, 6, 15 minus 9, 6, 21 minus 15, 6. Here this is called arithmetic progression. Means two numbers, any two numbers, any consecutive two numbers, constant all time common difference come constant. Here also common difference 6, here also common difference 6, here also come for common difference 6. Then here A1, A2, later here A1, A2, A3 are in AP. Just you let A1, A2, A3 are in AP. Then means A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 equals to D. Common difference. Here you write A1 values, you write A1 plus 0. Okay. And A2 you write A1 plus D. This common difference is D. A3 you write A1 plus 2D, because all are at least common difference na. So on, if you write A4 means A1 plus 3D. If I want for write AN, then how can write A1 here 4, here write 3, here write 3, here write 2. Then A1 if write N, then here write what? N minus 1. Because 1 less, here 4, here 3, here 3, here 2, here 2, here 1. Then here AN, then A1 plus N minus 1 into T. Common difference is T. This is the nth term of arithmetic progression. Means anyone, what is the n term? A term is A1 plus N minus 1 into D, where A1 is first term. A1 is first term and N means number of terms. And D equals to common difference. D equals to common difference. And N equals to last. Okay, N equals to last term. Then here, if anyone asks A1 equals to N equals to, here some question is given from the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, negative 3 by 2. This is a first example give owner. Take here I give an example. Example is 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. Okay. Then here find an. An equals to what? How can find this question? Here write. Here how can find? Here this is a sequence. First you check this is AP or not AP. We can check. How can check? 5 minus 2, 8 minus 5, 11 minus 8, all time common, difference is same. This is called AP. First this is AP. Yes, this series are AP. Then AN. What is AN? AN formula you know na? A plus N minus 1 into D. But here N value is not given. If we are given number of terms, in number of terms given, here if number of terms given, this you find the number of terms 50 terms. Means A50 you value find. A50 value is what? Then here A50 means 50 means N value is 50. Then A50 equals to 50 plus A value, A first term is value is given 2. N value is given 50 minus 1. D value is given 3. Then A50 equals to 2 plus 49 into 3. Then 2 plus 147. Then A50 value is 149. Here write same. Then I solve this question. From the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, negative 3 by 2, write the first term and common difference. Then here this question first check this is AP or not AP, but already given from the AP means this sequence is AP. First term is what? Which number is given first? This is called first term. Means first term is 3 by 2. What is the common difference? Common difference means second term minus first term means A2 minus A1. Second term is 1 by 2 and first term is 3 by 2. Then you subtract 2, 1 minus 3, then negative 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then answers common difference is negative 1. Then next question is here next question, write first 4 terms of AP when the first term A and common difference are D are given. Already first term is given. Write first term and write first 4 term. Then here A value, A first term is A. Second term A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. And fourth term A plus 3D. Then here write first 4 term. First term is 10. Second term is 10. Common difference also 10. Third term A plus 2D. 10 plus 2 into 10. Fourth term 10 plus 3 into 10. Then 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30 and 40. Okay. Then first is 10, 20, 30, 40. Means write first 4 term of AP. A equals to 10, A plus D 20, A plus 2D 30, A plus 3D 40. Means first 4 term, first term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 30, 40. Sometimes question is given first term and common difference. You only the write the first four term. First is a, second a plus d, third is a plus 2d, fourth is a plus. Always if given for a5 means a plus 4d. Okay, first term plus 4 into d. Here B number question. First term is given negative 1 and common difference is given negative 1 by 2. Okay, then first a, second a plus d, third is a plus 2d and fourth is a plus 3d. Then a value, first term is negative 1, second term is negative 1 plus minus 1 by 2, same negative 1 plus 2 into negative 1 by 2, third term is negative 1 plus 3 into negative 1 by 2. Okay, then negative 1 first term, second term is negative 1 by 2, then third term is negative 1, 2 cancel, then negative 1, here negative 1, negative 3 by 2, then negative 1, here you 2, negative 2 minus negative 1, here negative 2, here negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 3 by 2, negative 2 and negative 5 by 2. Here one explanation. If positive add positive, always come positive. If add positive, negative. Sometimes come negative, sometimes come positive. Negative, positive, positive. Always negative, positive. But negative, positive, negative. Always come symbol is negative but addition. Okay, add but symbol always come negative. इस बी नंबर क्वेश्चन में हमारे ए वैल्यू दिया हुआ है नेगेटिव 1, कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है नेगेटिव 1 by 2. अब यहाँ पे फोर्थ टर्म निकालना है. राइट द फोर्थ टर्म ऑफ सीरीज. यू फाइंड द सीरीज. फर्स्ट नंबर इज गिवन, कॉमन डिफरेंस is given, but you find the series. First only 4 terms you find. Sometimes given 4 term, 5 term, 3 term, 2 terms, but here given only for 4 terms. First term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d. A value is given negative 1, a plus d negative 1 plus negative 1 by 2. Third term is negative 1 plus 2 into negative 1 by 2. A plus 3d negative 1 plus 3 into negative 1 by 2. If you solve this, negative 1, negative 3 by 2, negative 2, negative 5 by 2. This is it. Then here C number question is given. C number is given. C number is given a equals to negative 1.255 and common difference is given negative 0.25. Then here also find out first term, second term, third term. A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is A1, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay, then here negative 1.25. First term is negative 1.25. Second term is negative 1.25, negative 0.25. Here 3, negative 1.25 plus negative 0.25. Here negative 1.25 plus 3 into 0.25 negative. Here negative 1.25, here negative 1.50, here negative 1.75, here negative 2.0. Means first term is A1 value is negative 1.25, A2 is negative 1.50, negative A3 is 1.75 and A4 is negative 2. Simply you solve. Sometimes given A value, D value is also given. Then A1 equal A1, A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 equals to A1, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D.